Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record a Zoom meeting on Android mobile app. So in here, I've already opened the Zoom app applications on my Android device, and you can follow these two methods if you want to record your Zoom meeting. So the first method is that you can use the Zoom's built-in recording feature. If you are a host for the meeting, you can just initiate or join a Zoom meeting as the host, and then after you open or on the Zoom meeting, you can just tap the more button, the three dots in the bottom right corner, and then you can just select record from the options. And after that, a confirmation message will appear. You can just tap on start recording, and if you want to stop the recording, you can just tap more again and select stop recording. Okay, so if you are not the host of the meeting, you can use this second method. You can use your device's screen recorder. So first, you can just start or join a meeting. For example, here I'm going to start a meeting.